Hi everyone, welcome to Evie's Toy House. Today we're making the last Cutie Mark Crusader split pony, Apple Bloom. Have you seen the other two, Sweetie Belle and Scootaloo? If you have, let me know down below in the comment section which one you've watched. If you like them, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Alright, let's get started. With this Applejack figure, her cutie mark is on this side of the body, so we're going to keep Applejack on this side and transform the other side into Apple Bloom. So I'm just going to use my scissors and we're going to cut as close as we can to the scalp. Cut all that hair off. And we're going to rebuild it using clay. So we missed the little one. And we're also going to cut off the tail. Next, taking a bit of tape, we're going to tape the pony down the middle. This will make it easier to paint a clean straight line down the middle of the pony. Now we're ready to paint. We're going to paint Apple Bloom's side a very light yellow. Now let's peel off the tape. As you can see, the paint line is very clean. Okay, let's build the hair. To build the hair, I'm going to use oven baked clay. Taking a flat piece of red clay, I'm going to cut out a shape that looks like a mitten. This piece will go over her shoulders. Next, I'm going to cut another mitten-shaped piece. This piece will go on top of her head. Using an X-Acto knife, I'm going to trim it a bit so that it stays only on Apple Bloom's side. To finish off the hair, I'm going to add a little bit more clay to the back of the head and bring it around to the shoulders. Now with an X-Acto knife, I'm going to score some lines on the hair. For the tail, I'm going to use a large log of red clay and roll it so that one end is narrow and the other end is round and flat. Next, we're going to attach small pieces to the top and blend it back into the larger piece. We're going to do the same thing with the second piece on the bottom. Now we're going to carefully cut the tail in half. I'm going to make sure we're not going to smash it. Now for the bow, I'm going to cut a rectangle from this flat piece of pink clay. Then I'm going to fold the ends together and add a small square of clay on the end. This we can place on top of the head behind the ears. Now for Applejack, we're going to build her mane using light yellow clay. We're going to start with the mane on top of the head. It's going to be a little bit pointy on the tip. And then we're going to add clay down the back of the head and have it go around the shoulder. And add a little piece of red for the hair tie. And of course, there's this last piece to add to the bottom of Applejack's hair. I'm just going to use a little round ball. For the tail, similar to Apple Bloom's tail, we're going to start with a large log. We're going to roll it so that one end is narrow and the other end is round and fat. Next, we're going to carefully cut it in half. Then taking the two pieces, one from Apple Bloom and one from Applejack, we're going to stick them together. On the bottom of Applejack's tail, we're going to add a little bit of red hair tie with a small bit of red on the bottom, and one more piece on the bottom. With an X-Acto knife, we're going to score it so that there's lines going down both Applejack's and Apple Bloom's tail. After baking the clay, we're now ready to finish Apple Bloom. For the eyes, we're going to start with white and paint a large circle. Using orange for the irises, I'm going to paint a smaller circle on the inside. Then we're going to add pupils with black. And two white reflective circles. And with black, we're going to line the eyes and add lashes. Finally, we're going to paint in Apple Bloom's Cutie Mark. Alright everyone, and we are done. Our last Cutie Mark Crusader split pony. So here is Apple Bloom looking super cute on her side. She has her signature hair and tail and of course her bow. And we also added her little cutie mark right here. And on the other side we have her older sister. We have Applejack. So for Applejack we kept her cutie mark and also her color in her eyes, but we added her hair in clay. So this was a really fun custom to make. I really like the way Apple Bloom turned out on her side. And of course, let's put all three of our Cutie Mark Crusader split ponies together. So we got everybody here. Actually, Scootaloo is on the other side. These are so fun. So here are the Cutie Mark Crusaders, and here's the other side, the three of the main six. Go. So which one is your favorite? Do you like Scootaloo and Rainbow Dash? Do you like Sweetie Belle and Rarity? Or do you like Applejack and Apple Bloom? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!